T-Mobile's Wi-Fi routers often restrict custom DNS settings, impacting your privacy and internet speed. By default, your router uses T-Mobile's DNS servers, which may log your browsing activity. These defaults could also be slower than alternatives. Custom DNS allows you to override these defaults with services like Cloudflare. Or Quad 9, enhancing privacy by avoiding T-Mobile's logs and potentially improving speed due to faster query resolution. Since direct DNS configuration isn't available on T-Mobile routers, you'll need a workaround such as using a third-party router. To use custom DNS with a T-Mobile router, the most common method involves using a third-party router in IP pass-through or bridge mode. Connect your own router, like an ASUS or TP-Link model, to the T-Mobile gateway. Configure the T-Mobile gateway to pass-through mode. Then access your third-party router's admin panel, typically via 192.168.1.1. In the router's DHCP settings, specify your preferred DNS servers. Specify your preferred DNS servers, e.g. Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.1 or Quad 9 9.99.9. This routes all DNS traffic through your chosen resolver. This gives you the flexibility to manage DNS settings directly, bypassing T-Mobile's limitations. You can also configure DNS settings directly on your devices if the router-level workaround is not feasible. Remember, flashing open-source firmware onto the T-Mobile router voids its warranty and can potentially damage the device.